What do you manage investing in a gold investment pension? You are actually transforming part of your retired life nest egg right into gold. That stated, is placing a gold individual retirement account in your profile the appropriate move for you? Not all individual retirement accounts enable gold financial investments, yet this write-up must help you comprehend what to look for in your IRA to see if it enables you to build a gold retired life egg. Secret takeaways. A gold individual retirement account is a self-directed individual retirement account that buys physical gold, also other precious metals. A gold individual retirement account often includes higher charges than a conventional or Roth IRA that spends solely in stocks, bonds, and also mutual funds. A gold individual retirement account can act as a great hedge versus rising cost of living, but is also focused in a solitary asset course. The shifting rate of gold costs per ounce have ranged from $255 in August 1999 to a high of $1,839 in September 2011. As January 2020 gold was going for nearly $1,600 per ounce. So there has actually been considerable growth, yet likewise some retrenching. A gold IRA is a specie, plan of an individual retirement account, IRA, that permits capitalists to own physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium as opposed to more usual assets, such as cash, supplies, and also bonds, to which normal individual retirement accounts are limited. The gold IRA was developed by Congress in 1997, claims Edmund C, chief strategist for Citadel Gold, who, as a previous USA Mint director, managed the biggest manufacturing of gold and silver coins in the world. Gold IRAs, an expanding pattern. Gold IRAs interest capitalists who want a very retired life profile. Since gold prices usually move in the contrary direction of paper possessions, including a gold IRA to a retirement portfolio supplies an insurance policy against inflation, says Moy. This balance technique smooths out danger, particularly over the long term. That makes it a clever option for retirement investments like individual retirement accounts. During his period as supervisor of the Mint, Moy states there was little need for gold IRAs since they involve a very complicated deal that only the most persistent investor was willing to seek. You need to discover a trustee or custodian for the individual retirement account together with an authorized vault. Then you require to buy the accepted gold or various other rare earth element as well as have it transferred to the depository in such a way the custodian can represent it. He discusses considering that the monetary dilemma of 2008 as well as the resulting wonderful economic crisis. Nonetheless, gold IRAs have come to be substantially much more popular. Document Gold Sales Incorporated, with the appearance of many more business to take care of as well as simplify the deals, have actually made buying a gold IRA a one-stop shop. The outcome: robust gold IRA growth. Then, naturally, there's the influence of financial as well as world information. Solid rate of interest in gold individual retirement accounts has proceeded as a result of the prospective inflationary influence of the federal get stimulation programs as well as a sharp boost in geopolitical threat, states Moy. $1,625. The cost of gold per ounce in March 2020. Golden rules. Gold IRAs can be either standard or Roth alternatives, states Daniel Sentell, previous supervisor of interactions at Broad Financial, a Monsey, NY-based monetary services firm that provides these accounts. Whichever version, a gold individual retirement account can just be purchased real gold, be it coins or bullion. According to Brett Gottlieb, a financial investment advisor rep, and also creator of Comprehensive Expert in Carlsbad, Calif. The first thing to take into consideration is whether you wish to have a physical investment in your portfolio as opposed to a gold company stock or mutual fund or an exchange-traded fund that tracks a gold index. If you do choose the actual metal, certain requirements make an application for it to be held in an individual retirement account. The precious metal coins or bars need to fulfill IRS finance requirements as well as have to be held by the individual retirement account trustee as opposed to the individual retirement account owner, says Moy. The gold must be kept in an IRS-approved vault. To put it simply, no tucking away the bullion or specie in safety deposit boxes, home safes, or closets. All other guidelines regarding individual retirement account payments, disbursements, as well as taxes apply. Moy includes the gold in a gold individual retirement account have to be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot keep it in a safety deposit box, house safe, or under your cushion. Finding a broker custodian. To put IRA funds into gold, you need to develop a self-directed individual retirement account, a type of individual retirement account that the financier handles directly and also is permitted to own a wider variety of financial investment items than other individual retirement accounts. For a gold IRA, you need a broker to buy the gold and also a custodian to create and also administer the account. This company will certainly keep or hold your real bullion, states John Johnson, president of Gold Star Count On, headquartered in Canyon, Texas. Custodians are normally financial institutions, trust companies, credit unions, brokerage firms, or savings and loan associations that have been authorized by government and/or state firms to give asset custody solutions to private investors and economic advisors. They do not select steel suppliers for their IRA clients. This is the capitalist's duty. However, well-known custodians have connections with a number of hundred suppliers throughout the nation and also may be willing to share the checklist. It can likewise function the other method. Some metal suppliers might suggest an individual retirement account custodian, states Johnson. Nonetheless, customers are always cost-free to search for custodians on their own. Selecting which business to utilize is complicated, as it is a customized job that major brokerage firm companies generally don't supply, according to Moy. When I did my homework, there were a couple of criteria that was essential to me, he says. These consist of openness. Knowing all your expenses up front can prevent any type of nasty surprises, such as cover charges after you invest. Performance history. Seek a firm with an impressive reputation from objective third parties, such as the Better Business Bureau or the Business Consumer Alliance. Moy claims it may additionally be helpful to explore what consumers claim regarding the company, particularly the variety of grievances filed. He looked for companies that were instructional as well as not pressing a hard sell. Adaptability. Each financier's requirements and also goals are various, so Moy suggests choosing a firm that will accommodate you rather than having a one-size-fits-all technique. Certifications. You should just take care of a firm that has all the appropriate and also necessary licenses, registrations, insurance coverage, and bonds to safeguard your financial investment. Request for verification of those licenses and other details. Unique expenses. Possessing gold in a gold individual retirement account does come with some unique expenses. The charges that a financier will face include the vendor's cost, markup. Although gold takes a crack at rate, there are markups depending upon whether you desire gold bullion, coins, proofs, etc., says Sentell. The markup, which can likewise differ depending upon the supplier, is a single charge. Likewise, each form of gold presents its very own set